Hello, today I'm gonna talk about poor self-esteem. Just beat it. Ask yourself these questions. How do you value yourself? How do you perceive your value to the world? How valuable are you to others? Just think on these questions right now for a little. Let them simmer. Answer them to yourself. Your answers reveal a lot about your self-esteem. If you have poor self-esteem, you feel socially withdrawn, constantly anxious, you are often pessimistic, depressed, a poor communicator, you fear rejection, lack of motivation, and really insecure. When you feel that you have a healthy self-esteem, you feel confident. You have self-direction. You're optimistic, trustworthy, trusting. You care for oneself, independent. You accept mistakes and are aware of your own strengths. There are possible causes of poor self-esteem. This can be child abuse, poor self-image, trauma, dissatisfaction with personal appearance, parents' negligence, poor financial situation, excessive criticism, unemployment, bullying, betrayal, unrealistic expectations. But here are 6 quick tips to raise your self-esteem. 1. Engage in positive talks. What to tell yourself? I can't when you're too scared to try. Stop when you're thinking negatively. Wonderful when you're done any good thing. Care for yourself. Keep your body healthy. Develop a new hobby or skill. Find ways to relax. Stop comparing yourself to others. Otherwise, you're simply wasting precious time. You gain nothing, but lose a lot. You're taking the road to resentment. Let go of negative experiences. Learn to forgive yourself and others. Get through your negative experiences. Seek professional help if needed. Get inspired. Read self-help and feel-good books. Join support groups. Surround yourself with positive people. And stop worrying too much. Can the problem be solved? Yes. Take an action right away. No. Accept your feelings and keep calm. The worst loneliness is not to be comfortable with yourself. Mark Twain. Thank you.